Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Kerr, and I'm the manager of the Dale Etheridge Planetarium at the College of Southern Nevada on the North Las Vegas campus. Welcome to the October 20th edition of the Las Vegas Weekly Night Sky. In these videos, we want to let you know a little bit about what you can go outside and look for in the nighttime sky. On Monday night into Tuesday morning, the Orionid meteor shower will reach its peak. This is a good year for looking at them, as there will be no moon to wash out the meteors. This is not a very rich meteor shower, possibly only around 25 meteors per hour at its peak, but it is in a spot in the sky that's fairly easy to find. After midnight tonight, the radiant will be rising in the east between Betelgeuse in Orion and Castor and Pollux in Gemini. Just before dawn on Tuesday morning, the radiant will be nearly directly overhead. So if you're up before the sun rises, sneak outside and see if you can catch a meteor or two. Sagittarius is setting in the early evening over in the southwest. Depending on which part of the area you live in, it may not be easily seen with the mountains. Up higher in the west, almost directly overhead to start the night, is the summer triangle of Vega, Deneb, and Altair. This asterism with 3 stars in 3 different constellations is still easily seen into the fall evening sky. See if you can make out the Northern Cross as well, which is the central part of Cygnus the Swan. You can still find Saturn in the southeast at sunset this week. It will be the brightest star-like object over in that direction and should have a slight yellowish tint. Neptune is still just to the left of Saturn in the sky, but it can't be seen without a telescope. Jupiter is rising just before midnight now, and is still lining up nicely with Castor and Pollux in Gemini. The eastern sky just after midnight is quite rich right now, with some of the brighter stars of the winter rising and the chance of catching an Orionid meteor or two as well. We'll dive more into the stars and sights over there as they get to rising earlier in the evening. Venus is still hanging low in the eastern sky just before dawn. It is sinking rapidly, however, so you might want to catch sight of it soon before it makes its way to the western sky at sunset over the next couple of months. Join us again next Monday for some new weekly sky highlights. I look forward to seeing you at the planetarium.